YouTube offers an incredible opportunity to go viral without ever showing your face. One of the most profitable faceless niches is horror storytelling. Channels like Mr. Nightmare and Chilling Scares generate tens of thousands of dollars monthly, proving the immense potential. With AI tools, you can automate the process and focus on storytelling instead of technicalities. Start by researching trending ideas. Analyze successful channels and identify popular topics like haunted places, creepy camping tales, or urban legends. Stories set in relatable locations like schools or colleges tend to perform well. Use platforms like Reddit's /Scary Stories and /Haunted for inspiration. Generate a script using ChatGPT. Ask it to write a scary story set in a haunted high school or request a list of ideas and refine the one that stands out. First-person narratives work best, making viewers feel more immersed. You can also blend real-life events into fictional tales for added authenticity. Once you have your script, create the video using InVideo AI. Paste your script into the AI video creation tool, select a horror-appropriate background score, and generate visuals using AI-powered media. Choose a compelling voiceover, husky, chilling, or even clone your own for uniqueness. Finalize edits by adjusting clips, visuals, and sound effects. YouTube's free audio library ensures copyright safety. Export your video and upload it to a dedicated horror channel. Consistency is key. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll start earning ad revenue. Horror storytelling channels can earn between $2,000 and $100,000 plus per month depending on views. Small channels with 300,000 views can generate $2,000 plus, while larger ones with millions of views pull in tens of thousands. The more engaging your content, the faster you'll grow. To scale faster, focus on true stories, use first-person narratives, and incorporate unexpected plot twists. AI-generated content allows you to produce multiple high-quality videos weekly without a large team or expensive software. Starting a horror YouTube channel has never been easier. With InVideo AI, you can automate the process and focus on storytelling. Take the first step today. Start creating, uploading, and building a highly profitable